Hey there, I bought a 3-pack of these file holders which you're gonna attach to the wall. And so this is the clear one, and you can see, you're gonna go ahead and put your screw in and then pop it down into place. And those are the only 2 spots you have to put the screws in the wall. And so as you can see, it just kind of lays flush against the wall. So let's go install it in the pantry, as I'm gonna be putting some of my cookbooks in here that I want easy access to. And then here's what it looks like installed. So I have this one here just next to like my shelf here so that I can easily just grab my book if I need it. And you can kind of see, it's just adhered here at the corners, and you can just push it up and pull it out. And then in the other side of my room by my freeze dryer, I put another one here that has like my freeze drying and my canning books in it. And then I'm also going to stick one more here once I pull the machine out, so that I have 2 slots to stick these books. So in my pantry, this is very handy, having these little holders.